The expansion of John F. Kennedy International Airport, one of the busiest airports in the United States, marks a significant transformation aimed at enhancing passenger experience, increasing capacity, and modernizing its facilities. This ambitious redevelopment project is set to reshape the airport into a world-class hub for travelers. Here are some key facts about the ongoing expansion at JFK Airport. Number 1. Major project. JFK Airport's redevelopment is a multi-billion-dollar initiative to modernize the airport. 2. Investment. The project will cost around $13 billion, making it one of the largest airport upgrades in the US. 3. New terminals. 2 new international terminals will enhance capacity and passenger experience. Capacity boost. Passenger capacity will increase from 60 million to over 75 million annually. 5. Better connectivity. Improved transportation access, including enhanced public transit, is a key focus. 6. Modern features. New terminals will offer expanded retail, dining, and modern security. 7. Eco-friendly design. The expansion includes sustainable, energy-efficient designs. 8. Job creation. Thousands of jobs will be created, benefiting the local economy. 9. Completion. The project is set for completion by 2030, with phased openings. 10th. Partnerships. The Port Authority and private investors are leading the redevelopment efforts.